Hey, what's up Vechain holder, my millionaire brother? So today video is going very special for Vechain holder because today we discussed to our upcoming days Vechain going very fastly. Everything we explain in this video with proof. So let's start this brand video. This is a live price prediction. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click out the subscribe button if you need this type more informative and price prediction video of all cryptocurrencies. Yes, please click out the red button, subscribe our YouTube channel, and also like this video, guys. Vechain is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know this. To Vechain gone when they are very highly fastly going up. You can see here this time the latest price is 0.187 US dollar. Remember, this price is going very fastly. You can see here the chain occur and 16.19% going up. Oh my goodness, 16, and this is just last 24-hour chart. When they're moving like this, absolutely, when they're moving like this, then I hope my Vechain brothers to end next week and the last of this month, I hope they cross 1 US dollar. What is they can cross it towards US dollar. I hope in upcoming days they can easily cross 1 US dollar. So I think this is good time to you invest and Vechain. I cannot tell you to please invest at Vechain. This is not a financial video. I just advise you, my friend. I just advise you. If you invest in Vechain, then research personally. But I just invite you to advise you, and this is just advise you to please invest in Vechain because this is good time for Vechain, and they give you a very good profit. And upcoming days they go very fastly upward. So I think this is good time to you invest in Vechain because if you can see here the market cap rate. The market cap rate at 16.24 hour, and this is very crush result. Absolutely, and those days every cryptocurrency is moving down. Absolutely, very badly result gave us. But Vechain is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friends. If you invest in this coin, absolutely they give you very good profit at the end of this month, just at the end of this. And I have no plan to sell it at the end of this month. I sell it in 2025. Absolutely, I sell it in 2025. I cannot sell it, absolutely, and I suggest you to please cannot sell it at the also at the end of this month. I hope they give you 1 US dollar just at the end of this month, and I hope in this year they can easily cross it 10 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross 10 US dollar? I hope at the end of this month they can easily cross it 10 US dollar. Okay friends, so I have one also good news for Vechain holder. Vechain holder, I do a giveaway. At the end of this month. Okay, at the end of this month, if you complete my just 10,000 subscriber, absolutely I do a giveaway at the end of this month. So don't miss. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, and I make a special video for giveaway 10,000 subscribers very easily task, and I do a giveaway of 5,000 coin. So I hope you do it, man. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. If you need this type more informative video, then like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for videos notification.